Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your Realme Buds Air 5, then I can quickly answer this question. So first of all, of course, to charge your earbuds, you have to put them inside the charging case, and they will actually charge automatically once you actually close the case. But of course, if you want to recharge this case, you have to input here the USB-C cable. And as you know, this cable that actually comes in the box is like really short and probably doesn't allow you to charge it with some comfort, right? So you can actually use the cable from your phone, and I'm actually using cable from my old Huawei smartphone. And once you actually plug this cable inside, you will actually find information that this indicator is actually blinking, and it means that your device is charging. And I just connected this cable into my monitor. You can also connect this cable, for example, to your laptop, to your game console, to your TV, to your power bank, but also you can do this straight into the charging brick. I'm also using charging brick from my old Huawei smartphone, and it works really fine. So it means that you don't have to spend your money for special cable or charging brick. You can use brick or cable from your current device. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.